In today's fast-paced world, striking the right balance between work and life is crucial for personal and professional success. This video explores practical strategies for achieving a healthy work-life balance. Are you constantly juggling deadlines and dinner plans? Welcome to the club. The good news, you're in the perfect place to turn the tables. Get ready to transform your chaos into harmony with some genius-level strategies that might just make you the Zen master of your own life. All right, folks, it's time to bust a myth that's been floating around like a bad internet rumor. Work-life balance is not about having a perfect 50-50 split. Nope, it's not like splitting a sandwich with a friend and getting upset if their half is slightly bigger. It's like crafting a personal recipe, blending work, play, and relaxation to create your unique flavor of life. Why is balance so crucial, you ask? Could mastering this art make you more productive and happier? We'll uncover some compelling reasons shortly. Now, here are the practical strategies for balance you can start to implement in your life today. The art of prioritizing. This initial step in managing your tasks effectively involves the critical process of prioritization. This process is fundamentally rooted in the principle of emphasizing quality over quantity. Commence each day with a meticulously crafted list of your pending tasks. Or if you are inclined to plan ahead, compile this list the night before. This methodical approach to task prioritization ensures that your efforts are directed toward the most significant and impactful endeavors, thereby optimizing your productivity and achieving your goals efficiently. Learning to say no. Next, we master the two-letter spell of power: no. This tiny word is like a magic wand for your time management, but boy is it tough to wield. Saying no isn't about being uncooperative, it's about not stretching yourself thinner than a dollar store balloon. To say no effectively, practice in the mirror, if you have to, or text it to yourself. Get comfortable with it. No creates boundaries, and boundaries are the unsung heroes of balance. Remember, every time you say no to something non-essential, you're saying yes to your own well-being. The myth of being busy. Let's bust another myth. Being busy is not a trophy. In our hustle culture, being busy is often glamorized like some sort of productivity pageant. Newsflash, it's not. Being busy can be like running on a treadmill. Lots of effort, no forward movement. Refocus your lens from being a busy bee to being a productive panda. They know how to get things done and still have time for a good bamboo lounge. Ask yourself, is this task meaningful? Will it bring me closer to my goals? If it's a no, maybe it's time to drop it. Implementing the change. Now, implementing these tips is like starting a new diet. The first few days are enthusiastic, but by day 4, you're eyeing the chocolate cake, or in our case, falling back into the chaos. Consistency is key. Start small, maybe prioritize just 3 tasks a day, and gently turn down 1 unnecessary commitment a week. Gradually, as you flex these new muscles, it'll become second nature. And soon you'll find yourself not just surviving your days, but thriving in them with a newfound sense of balance and a smile that says, "I've got this." According to a 2023 study in the Journal of Happiness Studies, those who've mastered the mystical art of work-life balance are reportedly 25% happier. That's right, a quarter more joy, laughter, and those little moments of "I love my life." So, who's ready to join the 25% happier club? Now let's see how we can apply these strategies to our everyday lives. Firstly, let's tackle boundaries. They're not just lines on a map, but the do not cross tape around your personal life. Setting boundaries can feel tricky, but it's crucial. Start with the small things. No work emails after dinner or a no meetings afternoon once a week. Then there's the art of scheduling downtime. And no, downtime doesn't mean aimlessly thumbing through social media feeds. It's about quality time, marked in your planner with the kind of enthusiasm you reserve for holidays. Lastly, the golden rule. Find what resonates with your inner rhythm. This could mean a morning jog, a weekend cooking spree, or simply an hour with your phone switched off. The key is to make it uniquely yours. Which balancing strategy do you find most challenging to implement? Drop your thoughts in the comments. So, circling back to our earlier teaser about the link between productivity and happiness, Surprise, it's not just a myth like unicorns or calorie-free chocolate. This is real stuff. Balancing work and life does wonders, not just for your inner zen, but also for your output. So you've mastered the basics of work-life balance. Here are some more advanced balancing techniques to add to your arsenal. First up on our advanced menu is the art of microscheduling. This isn't about planning your day down to the second. That's a one-way ticket to Stressville. Microscheduling is about strategically sprinkling your day with short, productive bursts of work followed by quick breaks. You'll be amazed how these short, focused sessions can rev up your productivity engine without burning you out. Next, we dance into the realm of tech detox. Set aside a sacred tech-free time each day or week. It could be during meals, the first hour after waking up, or right before bed. Use this time to connect with the real world. Then there's the technique I like to call joy sparking. Borrowing a page from Marie Kondo, this involves doing something every day that brings you pure, unadulterated joy. It doesn't have to be big. Dancing in your living room, painting, playing with your dog, or just sipping coffee in silence. The key here is to make joy a non-negotiable part of your day. Now, let's put a neat little bow on our discussion of advanced balancing acts. Studies have shown that methods like microscheduling, tech detox, and injecting joy into your daily life can significantly improve productivity and well-being. It's not just about doing more, it's about being more. More focused, more relaxed, and more joyful. You're using a tried-and-true recipe for success in both your personal and professional life. And now, as we reach the grand finale of our work-life balancing act, here's a small yet impactful task for you. Hit that like button. Consider it your personal easy button for navigating life. And for more doses of insightful content and ingenious brain snacks and life hacks, be sure to subscribe to Uninterrupted Learning and stay in the loop. If you're tired of playing hide-and-seek with your memories and want to unlock your memory superpowers with just one click, watch this video next. Till next time, keep that balance beam steady and your spirits high.